We're going to turn now to the coronavirus pandemic. With nearly a third of the U.S. now vaccinated, federal guidance could change as early as tomorrow about when and where you should wear a mask. But it comes as health officials are concerned about a drop in vaccine demand. Here's CBS's Janet Shamlian.
Tonight, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is back after being paused almost 2 weeks ago. The single dose going into arms with a warning to women under 50 about possible rare blood clots.
It's still such a low percentage of people, and it doesn't make sense to be afraid of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
But hesitancy is a significant issue. A new CBS News poll found 40% of those surveyed said they might not or will not get immunized.
I was signed up for the Johnson & Johnson, and then when everything hit about the blood clot, I have a history of blood clots from medication.
8 million doses of the J&J vaccine have already gone into arms, with fewer than 20 cases of severe blood clots. There's growing concern now about people skipping their second dose of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. According to CDC data, more than 5 million people have not gone back. A troubling trend, experts say, may be due to fears about side effects and practical considerations, like not having time off work. There's some optimism tonight. The European Union could soon welcome American tourists. And U.S. officials say normalcy could return here for those fully vaccinated.
If we have communities in the country where we have very high degrees of vaccinations, I think you're going to see very much a 2019 type of a life.
But there's also concern about a surge of hospitalizations in the Midwest, where this Indiana clinic is scrambling to give out J&J doses.
A lot of people are afraid of vaccines, of shots. I think the pause in some ways helped the concerns that they had.
But too many healthcare workers say are still waiting.
Whether it's the Moderna or the J&J, just get it. That's going to save your life.
This is a Houston vaccination site, one of the so-called microsites many cities are moving towards to reach deeper into neighborhoods. As for those CDC guidelines, they're expected to be released tomorrow for people who've been vaccinated and those who have not. Norah?
Janet Shamlian, thanks so much.